Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. My name is Nikhil, and those you all don't know me by now, I'm a YouTuber. I'm a beauty YouTuber, as you can see the glam on. I hope you all are enjoying my videos. I was just getting ready for my Instagram, and I just had a live session. I was like, I'll get ready for my Instagram. I just came up with an idea. Why not film this look and show this to y'all, that how I actually got ready, and this is how the final look turned out to be. I hope you all enjoy this video. It has nice fun tricks and techniques. Something that I've never tried before is right here and in the video, so don't miss out, and do let me know what was your thoughts on the video, and enjoy the video. Hi guys, so this is pretty much randomly, and this is pretty much out of the blue is all I can say. I was just getting ready for my live session, and I was like, y'all are my family, you all need to see what I do. So I'm just gonna take my brown pencil, and I'm just going to fix it on my socket area. You'll have to be very careful when you do this, because it's a very stiff pencil. I mean, you don't have a lot of playtime when it comes to this pencil, so you have to be really careful with the blending bit. And I just realized my brush also had black color, so that pretty much says that I'm not organized, which is fine. I just made that socket as of now. I'm just gonna do that the other side as well. So I've decided to come live on Instagram, guys, and I was like, you know what, I'll actually film this look for you, and I'll just give you that title, that how I get ready for my Instagram live session. It's okay guys, don't worry, because I don't think so I've done anything as such on my YouTube channel, so I was like, it's a nice content as well, and why not. Here, that wing. Okay, that pretty much looks good to me. I don't know actually what I'm doing with this, but it's something that anyways will turn up nicer. It's okay, let that color go here and there, does not matter. We all know that this stitch knows how to fix that. I'm sure you all agree by now, don't you? One side looks thicker and one side looks thinner. Does not matter. Any of them work at the crease. Guys, are you enjoying my videos? I actually don't see a lot of likes and comments, so don't tell me if you see it. It's okay, I know it's somewhere down the line my mistake, because I'm not being constant on my YouTube and all, so let's not give you the reason behind that. Yeah, I'm just gonna take a nice brown. I love this palette. This afterglow palette has just caught my eyes. Taking the lighter blue and the darker blue and just merging both, because they have nice chocolatey color. They're very pretty to blend. So this look is actually a hack by itself, because the day you don't actually feel like doing a lot of makeup, which you can see I'm pretty much decked up, and no, you can't say that you don't want to do makeup. So it's like very easy peasy sort of a look. It does not take a lot of efforts, is what I believe. So I'm just going to set that up, nothing great. I'm just going to maintain the symmetry of both the sides, and then I'll just blend it. Just make sure guys that sockets are really like intense, because on that only your whole eyes are going to survive, because there's nothing else that you will possibly do in this look. Like if you see, my sockets are pretty much intense, but I'm just gonna cut the crease from here, so you know I'll try to place something else there. Let's see what I do there. For now, I'm just going with the same brush, and I'm just softening that edges up. That's it. Once you guys do both the sides, and it's gonna look something like this, don't worry. I'm just gonna start with blending the colors, the transition over here with these two shadows. Yeah, so just make sure you pick up these two lightest colors and you just be on the outer corner, like on the outer like guys, you'll have to take a lot of time to just blend this and make it look very seamless, because I have done a pencil, on the top of that I've done, you know, eyeshadows and all that, so you know it's gonna look something like that. Just try to bring this up a bit, because I don't know honestly how this is gonna turn out, because I have not done a proper cut crease since a lot of time. Like, I'm honestly trying to cut crease for the first time. That also for an event. Imagine, I mean, for a look that a lot of people might see. You never know, guys. It's fine. Until and unless you don't take chances in life, you won't, you know, understand where to do what. I mean, I'm the person who loves taking chances on everything in life. I'm just taking my time, sweet time, like I have hours to do this, which is not raw, which is not right, and it does not seem perfect yet. So I'm just gonna do the lightest color with a little brown to create a nice hue. Yes. Now this look is talking. I told you, I'll fix it. Yeah, once that's done, it's gonna look something like this. Once that's done, it's gonna look something like this. I'm pretty much okay with this. I'm gonna take my concealer NC10 right now, and I'm just taking this flat brush. Either I'm gonna use this or either I'm gonna use this. Please don't judge, this has stain. It's completely washed here. Yeah, so I don't know what I'm gonna do right now. Just taking that color here. Just gonna hold my mirror. It's a nice creamy concealer. Please don't disappoint me. A lot of hopes from you there. Okay, that's fine. Works for me. Okay. Yeah, so you already got that nice crease over here. So now you will keep joining that. I'm okay with this. I'm actually okay with this. Yeah. So it's gonna take like 2 to 3 minutes, and then I will completely be okay with this. Just be careful, guys. You don't have to like literally, you know, put a lot of product. If you see, like my crease is almost ready here. Ooh, I'm very happy with this look. In this excitement, don't, you know, like keep talking like how I am doing. You have to be very careful with the crease. You never know, you can ruin it. Like how I'm doing it right now. Yeah, because I don't have a lot of space on my lid, so you guys have to, you know, understand that I can't be like 100%, I can't like, you know, 100% focus on my own eyelid. Like I have, my socket area is slightly almond shaped, and I don't have a lot of lid space to play over there. Yeah, so my socket is going to look something like this. Of course I will do something over that so that it looks nice and neater. Yeah, I'm just gonna keep that. Once that's done, guys, I've just taken this color over here, and I'm just going to be very careful with this placement right now. Guys, I can't say that it's 100% perfect at the moment, but I'm trying to make it perfect for you. Yeah, if you guys see, it's not bad at all for the first time, and I'm actually very much okay with how it looks, because on me you don't have a lot of space to play actually, and I can only try to make it look more three-dimensional, which I can show you. Yeah, I'm actually okay with this. I know how I can just work my way with this right now, so that's okay. Y'all must, everyone has a different eye shape, so you try to do it on your eyes and see how it works, and you let me know if that works for you. Yeah, I'm pretty much happy with how this looks because I still have a little more here and there to do, which I'm gonna show you. But I'm happy with how it actually looks at the moment. It's not bad at all actually. Yeah, so once you do that, now you can take like a nice brown eyeshadow with a nice precise brush, and you can actually create this fold. Easy. Up to you guys. I'm doing this as an additional step because no, I've not seen anybody doing that, but I just wanted to try how this actually looks, and I'm actually okay with how the way it has turned out to be for me. Your call. Y'all can leave it also there, and you can actually, and I'm actually thinking to do a nice liner over it so that it looks more three-dimensional. Before I do that, I just want to take that nice brown again, and I just want to do the outer corners a little easy because I don't want it to look patchy at all, because we don't afford to look patchy on this channel. Yeah, so once that you're done with that, don't worry about this side and this side, we'll fix that up as well. Once you do that, this is how it's gonna look like. Guys, you can add more detailing to it. I'm just gonna do that right in front of you, but I wanted to finish the lower lash line first, and for lower lash line I wanted to create a little more burst of color, and I wanted to be a little more on the intense side. So let's do that. By the way, this is Kajal Crayon from MAC. I knew it. You can actually do rhinestones and all that on this look, but I don't, because I don't like all that. My eyes are really sensitive, that's why I'd like breathe and then do it, because otherwise it's gonna ruin the bloody look of mine. Yeah, you want to be that much is only because the minute you go far harder on that, it's going to look more intense. So play safe. And then I'm going to take a nice blue eyeshadow, and I'm going to start setting that up. Can you guys see that? Just adding a little fun to this, nothing else. I did the reverse side today. Usually do that side first. Yeah, and then I'm taking a little bit of shadow and then blending it. Yeah, I'm just taking that same eye pencil again. Be very careful, guys. Pencils are super delicate also, and they can be super harsh also. I mean, the minute you don't blend it properly, it's gonna go off to another level. I mean, you have to be very specific when you do this sort of looks. I like how the burst of color looks. I'm very glad that I didn't do anything on top. That's why I always feel like trust the process, it always works. Of course, we'll do a little bit liner also on top, but does not mean that, you know, you leave the lower look incomplete. I mean, look at that fun it creates on the whole eye look. It's like a burst of pop. That's it. Now it's your call. You want to do a strong liner on top, or you don't want to do it. Honestly, I'm not a big fan of liner. I feel it makes me look very, I don't know, sorry, I don't like it. I'm just gonna do a very thin liner just to define my eyes. I'm really good at doing it on others as well as on myself, but somehow it does not make me feel that it's me. See, just define the eyes, that's it. I know I look fantastic, right? My climax is here. I keep it very tight, okay? Otherwise it's gonna dry out, and it's one of my favorite mascara, okay? Just gives me an instant kick on my lashes. And I don't do like 3, 4, 5 layers of mascara. This look is only for 15 minutes. I take it off any which ways. We're all quarantined. How do I even go out? Nobody's asking me how it is. I mean, I'm just gonna take it off because we all are home. Yeah, super fun. It looks. Yeah, this is an optional step. This is this thing. It's called Not Afraid to Sparkle. It's just like a glitter. I'm just gonna put it on the center, or I feel on my inner corners. I don't know, just to brighten up the inner corners because I generally don't do that. I'm okay with this because on the lid I'll actually not be very happy. Yeah, just like looks like a diamond, shining bright like a diamond. It's just like me. Yeah, so guys, I'm done with everything. I just have to do my lips right now. I'm really done. Lips, I've just primed my lips with the lip balm. As you all know, I only use the NARS Bang Bang lip balm. And for lip pencil, I have the Pressed Blooms from MAC. I love this lip pencil because it's actually dome shape, and it gives you a lot of precision. And I'm just gonna fill this all over. I'm using Get It On from NARS again. This is their lip pigment. It's actually a slight contrast, but it's okay. That's the final look, guys, and we are officially done. I'm all set to kickstart my Instagram session. My highlight, contour, eyes, blush, everything looks quite beaming, and I'm sure I'm gonna kill the audience with this look. I hope you all enjoyed this look. This was really random out of the blue, but I did enjoy doing this for you. If you guys want to see more such looks from me, let me know in the comment section below. And if you're trying anything, let me know on my Instagram handle. It'll be great if you follow me on all my social media handles, and do subscribe and share as much as you can. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.